Sup, this is Batu. 오늘 영상은 조던 피터슨과 영국 공영방송 채널 4의 앵커 캐티 뉴먼 사이에 조던 피터슨의 신간저서 12 Rules for Life라는 책 인터뷰를 빙자한 토론 배틀입니다. 미국은 물론 캐나다와 영국에서도 엄청난 반향을 일으킨 이 인터뷰는 총 4편으로 이루어질 예정인데요. 오늘 올려드릴 첫 번째 편은 한국에서도 꽤나 논란이 됐던 성별 임금 격차가 주제입니다. 우선 보시죠.
So it seems to a lot of women that they're still being dominated and excluded, to quote your words back.
It does seem that way, but multivariate analysis of the pay gap indicate that it doesn't exist.
But that's
So
just
you
not
do,
true,
you-
is it?
That's
I mean, that
absolutely
9% pay gap, that's a gap between median hourly earnings
Yeah.
between men and women.
앵커가 인용한 이 9%라는 수치는 영국의 수치고요. OECD 집계에 의하면 한국은 36.7%였다고 하네요. JTBC에서 이와 관련된 팩트 체크를 방송한 적이 있으니까 기사는 아래 링크 확인해 주세요.
But there's
That
multiple,
exists.
yeah, but there's multiple reasons for that. One of them is gender, but it's not the only reason. Like if you're a social scientist worth your salt,
여기서 조던 피터슨이 사용한 표현은 If you're a social scientist worth your salt라는 건데 사실 일반적으로 자주 사용하는 걸 들어본 적은 없지만 네가 밥값을 하는 인간이라면 이라는 뜻입니다. 예전에는 소금이 비싸고 귀했잖아요. 그래서 소금으로 임금이나 품삯을 대신받는 경우가 많았고 그래서 이런 표현을 사용하게 된 겁니다. 재미있는 사실을 하나 덧붙이자면 우리가 흔히 사용하는 연봉의 의미를 갖고 있는 salary라는 단어의 어원은 salt, 소금의 쌀이고 소금을 살 수 있는 돈이라는 의미의 salarium에서 유래된 것입니다.
you never do a univariate analysis. Like you say, well, women in aggregate are paid less than men. Okay, well, then we break it down by age, we break it down by occupation, we break it down by interest, we break it down by personality.
But you're saying basically it doesn't matter if women aren't getting to the top because that's what's skewing that gender pay gap, isn't it? You're saying, well, that's just a fact of
No,
life.
it's saying
Women
it
aren't
doesn't
necessarily
matter.
going to get to the top.
No, I'm not saying it doesn't matter either.
You're saying
I'm
it's a
saying
fact
there are
of life.
multiple reasons for it.
Yeah, but
and they
those
aren't being
reasons,
taken into
why
account.
should women put up with those reasons? Why should
Why should
women be
put up with it?
content
I'm not
not
saying
to
that
get
they
to
should
the top?
put up with it. I'm saying that the claim that the wage gap between men and women is only due to sex is wrong. And it is wrong. There's no doubt about that. The multivariate analysis have been done. So I can give you an
You
example.
keep on talking about
Wait a second.
multivariate analysis.
Let me give you an
No.
example.
I'm saying that 9% pay gap exists.
Yeah.
That's a gap between men and women. I'm not saying why it exists, but it exists. Now,
Yeah, but
if
you
you're a
have to say
woman,
why
that
it
seems
exists.
pretty unfair.
You have to say why it exists.
But do you agree that it's unfair? If you're a woman,
Not necessarily.
and on average you're getting paid 9% less than a man, that's not fair, is it?
It depends on why it's happening. I can give you an example. Okay, there's a personality trait known as agreeableness. Agreeable people are compassionate and polite. And agreeable people get paid less than less agreeable people for the same job. Women are more agreeable than men.
Again, a vast generalization. Some
It's not
women
a
are not more
generalization.
agreeable than
Yes,
men.
that's true. But that's right. And some women get paid more than men.
여기서 조던 피터슨이 여성은 남성보다 더 유순한 편이죠 라고 한 말이 왜 일반화가 아닐까 라고 의아해할 수 있습니다. 하지만 피터슨이 여성은 남성보다 유순한 편이다 라고 전제를 깐 것은 두 특정 표본의 통계치를 비교한 것이기 때문에 일반화라고 몰아가기엔 무리가 있죠. 조던 피터슨은 두 샘플에 아웃라이어가 없다고 한 적은 없기 때문에 캐티 뉴먼이 당신은 일반화를 하고 있습니다. 남성보다 덜 유순한 여성도 있습니다 라고 했을 때 예외가 없다고 한 적은 없기 때문에 난 일반화한 게 아니야. 그리고 네 말 맞다나 같은 이치로 남자보다 돈을 더 받는 여자도 있어 라고 한 거죠. 캐티 뉴먼이 좀 이성을 유지할 수 있었다면 우선 데이터에 근거한 논리적 오류가 배제된 일반화는 나쁜 것이 아니라는 사실을 자각하고 있어야 했고 굳이 물고 늘어지자면 유순함의 기준은 무엇이며 그걸 어떻게 측량했냐로 이야기를 몰고 갔어야 했는데 이미 이 앵커분은 글렀습니다.
So you were saying that by and large, women are too agreeable to get the pay rises they deserve.
No, I'm saying that that's one component of a multivariate equation that predicts salary. It accounts for maybe 5% of the variance, something like that.
So surely
you
the
need about
answer-
another you need about another 18 factors, one of which is gender. And there is prejudice, there's no doubt about that, but it accounts for a much smaller proportion of the variance in the pay gap than the radical feminists claim.
Okay, so rather than denying the pay gap exists, which is what you did at the beginning of this conversation, shouldn't you say to women, rather than being agreeable and not asking for a pay rise, go and ask for a pay rise. Make yourself disagreeable with your boss.
Oh, definitely, there's that. But I also didn't deny it existed. I denied it existed because of gender.
Okay,
See, because I'm very, very, very careful with my words.
so the pay gap exists, you accept that, but you're
Yes.
saying, I mean, the pay gap between men and women exists. You're saying it's not because of gender, it's because women are too agreeable to ask for pay rises. So
It's
make
one
them-
of the reasons.
Okay, one of the reasons. So why not get them to ask for a pay rise?
I've
Wouldn't
done
that be
that.
a fairer
I've done
way of
that
proceeding?
many, many times in my career.
여기서는 사실 간단하게 의역했는데 원래는 I've done that many times in my career죠. 사실 이게 부드럽게 와닿는 한국말로 의역하는 게 까다로웠어요. 좀 직역을 하자면 제 경력 동안 엄청 많이 해왔습니다 정도가 되는데 뭔가 좀 어색하죠. career라는 표현은 한국에서 흔히 아재들이 내 회사 밥 10년 동안 혹은 내 사회생활 10년 동안 너가 같은 인간은 처음 봤다 라는 표현을 흔히 할 때 영어로 하자면 I've never seen a tool like you in 10 years of my career 라고 영변을 할 수가 있어요. 한국어로는 회사나 사회라는 정치에 좀 더 밀착된 감이 있지만 영어로는 좀 더 자기중심적으로 자신의 인생, 경력, 업적에 가까운 분위기를 갖고 있는 단어입니다. 이런 간단한 단어에서도 문화 차이를 엿보실 수 있습니다.
And they
I've
just don't.
counseled. Oh, they do it all the time. You can. So one of the things that you do as a clinical psychologist is assertiveness training. So you might say, often you treat people for anxiety, you treat them for depression, and maybe the next most common category after that would be assertiveness training. And so I've had many women, extraordinarily competent women in my clinical and consulting practice, and we put together strategies for their career development that involve continual pushing, competing for higher wages, and often tripled their wages within a 5-year period, teaching
you
them how to
celebrate that?
negotiate. Of course.
So
Of
do
course.
you agree that you would be happy if that pay gap was eliminated completely?
It
Because
would
that's all
depend.
the radical feminists are saying.
It would depend on how it was eradicated and how the disappearance of it was measured.
And you're
These
saying if
things
it's at the
you
cost
can't-
of men, that's a problem.
Oh, there's all sorts of things that it could be at the cost of. It could even be at the cost of women's own interests. So
Because they might not be happy if they get equal pay.
no, because it might interfere with other things that are causing the pay gap that women are choosing to do.
Like having children.
Well, or choosing careers that actually happen to be paid less, which women do a lot of.
But why shouldn't women have the right to choose not to have children or the right to choose those demanding careers?
They do. They can. Yeah, that's fine.
But you're saying that makes them unhappy, by and large.
I'm saying that no, I'm not saying that. I actually haven't said that so far in
You're
the
saying
program.
it makes them miserable.
No, I
at the
said that
beginning.
what was making them miserable was having weak partners.
여기서 miserable이라는 표현은 사전을 찾아보면 비참하다라는 뜻을 갖고 있는데 사실 이런 맥락에서 불행하다라는 의역이 맞죠. 대개 미국인들은 그들이 엄청 좋아하는 주제인 날씨에 대해 말할 때도 It's miserable이라는 말을 하곤 합니다. 날씨가 비참해 라고 번역하면 좀 말이 안 되겠죠. 날씨가 구려 정도가 될 테니까요.
That makes them miserable.
Right.
I would say that many women around the age of, I would say between 28 and 32, have a career family crisis that they have to deal with. And I think that's partly because of the foreshortened time frame that women have to contend with. Like women have to get the major pieces of their life put together faster than men, which is also partly why men aren't under so much pressure to grow up. So because for the typical woman, she has to have her career and family in order pretty much by the time she's 35, because otherwise the options start to run out. And so that puts a tremendous amount of stress on women, especially at the end of their 20s.
I think I take issue with the idea of the typical woman because, you know, all women are different.